In today's video, we're going to go over a potential trade setup in WYNN. Now, I haven't seen one in quite some time, but finally, after we shifted patterns recently by taking out this prior swing high, now we're having a symmetrical pullback. I actually have some levels that you can define risk against. So here, I'm seeing actually what looks like a little bit of a zigzag correction into support, with the area of support coming in at 178.56 to 179.34. Now that comes from, let's see, a combination of a 382 retracement, 100% projection of this prior decline, 100% projection of this first swing down, and that's what pretty much shows up on the daily chart. But sometimes when you go down to the lower time frame charts, you will also find more information because there are more swings to work with. So that's what I did. I went down to a 30-minute chart, and you can still see, this other support that I was talking about, but there are also some extra price relationships. So for example, measuring this low to this high, you have a 1618 extension that overlaps that area. And then we also have a minor 1272 extension of a prior low to high swing. So essentially we are in a support decision of WYNN right now, right here, right now, between 178.37 to 180.20. So what do you need to do next? Well, you really need to see a buy trigger that tells you that it's worth placing a bet against that zone. Then you need to define your risk underneath there. If you do see a trigger, typically for a swing trade, you're using either a 15-minute or a 30-minute moving average crossover, which we have not seen yet. But if we do continue to hold above this general area, just know that the upside potential is going to be this 196.13 area and then 200.42, but your risk initially is going to be right underneath this 178 area. If we break underneath 178, I consider myself wrong as far as this particular setup is concerned.